Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm gonna present about the history of Barbie. Barbie is a fashion doll manufactured by the American toy company Mattel and launched in March 1959. The Barbie doll was invented in 1959 by Ken doll. The doctor was called Barbie. The Ken doll was named after her son and was introduced 2 years after Barbie in 1961. The first doll sold for $3. Barbie product make up 40% of the an estimated 90% of American viewers have owned at least one Barbie doll over the last one. This was the first commercial on TV. Conte.
It's a fail.
This was the first commercial. It showed it internationally.
Sudah papau. 3 ringgit. Murah betul.
Always on her mind. She's on mine like all day, all the time. Yeah. Forget me not, forget me now. I've come too far to turn around. I'm here.
Barbie, 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 oh, Barbie, 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 no. This is a fail. Okay, thanks everyone, thanks for watching, thanks for listening, thanks for everything.